So this is Dank Wheelie's actual bike?
Yeah, this is the giveaway bike.
Was that you who won it? I think I saw that video.
$65.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Oh, they have supermotos here too.
Yeah, we're gonna.
Let's go. First impressions, what do you think?
I like it. I like it a lot. Shit.
Alright guys, what is up? So I'm here with my homie
Levi.
Alright guys, what is up? So I'm here with my homie Levi. I called him Levi, but yeah, so his name is Levi. I'll include his Instagram down here. He does all the stunts. His Instagram's pretty sick. This guy does burnouts, drifts, stunts, wheelies, like all that stuff. He's like a gnarly stunner. He gotta teach me how to do some of that stuff. So
I got you.
yeah, I'll put his Instagram down here, guys, and I'll put in the description below. But yeah, let's go check out this bike. Boom. Guys, check that out. Look at that. What river is this, bro?
I don't even know.
That's crazy. Ooh. Alright guys, so we're picking up Levi's friend.
We got a queer filmer with us. Oh, sorry.
Oh. We're picking up Levi's homie Bobby. He got the same bike as him. He got the FZ stunt bike right here. Look at this thing. Bro, is that a shifter cart?
It's a drift trike. It's just missing the,
Yo, look at this thing.
Yeah, it's got a full hydro, brand new
quad.
Predator
Is that a
212.
450 or what?
Yeah, that's a customer's bike, or quad.
But what's good, bro? Anton, nice to meet you.
What's up, man?
You want to be in the video or what?
Hell yeah, man.
Let's go.
Yeah, we got our Bad Day Stunts YouTube channel, too.
I haven't filmed in like 3 months, but I have a channel too, so.
Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah.
We can do some shit.
I'm down. We should collab and all that stuff, so. But yeah, this looks like a little messy, but
Yeah.
that's how it always is. That's how it be sometimes, eh? But this thing is sick. This is the same exact bike you got?
Yeah, it's exactly the same.
Oh, these are. Oh, I've seen a guy. Dude, it might have been him who mounted it like that.
Yeah,
Dude, was that
like
you? I think I saw a video on Instagram. Someone doing a wheelie with the integrated tank.
It was either him or me.
Yeah,
probably.
one of us.
That's sick.
Yeah, our bikes are completely identical.
Dude, look at this thing. So yeah, we're gonna load this up. We got the little. What is this? A 140 Kawi? A little pit bike. We're gonna scream that thing around.
Turn that into a fucking Harley.
No, I'm telling him he's joining the dark side with the Harleys. You know. I don't know about the Harleys yet.
Yeah, he's gonna start wearing fucking leather chaps.
Yeah, he's in like a leather
fucking
vest. He's gonna join like the bike. A bike is over this thing. Oh, the switch is down there. Look at that.
Yeah, you don't want to have them on your bars.
Oh yeah,
Throw your
because they'll
feet
just
over
crack.
and kick
Yeah.
it.
If you drop it, probably too.
Yeah, but the main thing, we have a video on our YouTube of a guy.
Wait, I'll shout out your YouTube channel. I'll include it here. What is it?
Bad Day Stunts.
Oh, right here. Bad Day Stunts. I'll put the link, or that for sure. I'll put the link right here. Their YouTube and in the description, guys. So, alright, guys. So we're gonna go get this Dyna. We're gonna go see what's up with all these stunt dudes, because I've never really been the stunt crew, but the stunt like people, but we'll see what they do and let's check it out. Oh yeah, so the bikes are in, and then they think they're gonna. How are you guys gonna fit a Harley in the middle or what?
No, we're not bringing this back.
Oh, you're trading the. Oh, we're trading the Kawasaki for the Harley plus cash. So okay, we should be good. But yeah, guys, let's go get this Dyna. Alright guys, what is up? We pulled up to the house, and then we're about to pick up the Dyna. Wait, which one is Dank? Guys, which one is Dank Wheelie's bike?
The orange one.
Oh, this is like the guy, the YouTuber Dank Wheelie. This is his bike, guys.
Yeah, this is old.
Check this out. That's insane.
Dude, I want to ride this. Is name here?
That's crazy.
Yeah, this is Keaton's
What is this?
bike.
What is this?
They're down, like, down to the
Grand
left.
Theft Auto. Check this out. That's crazy.
You think they'd be mad?
But yeah, guys, where's the? Oh, is this the? Where's the Dyna? This is the Dyna you're getting?
What?
Levi, this is the Dyna.
Yeah.
This is the bike he's getting. That's crazy.
Yeah, I like your helmet.
Shit's gay.
This supermoto, bro? Oh my god. But this is Dank Wheelie's bike. That's crazy. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Let's go.
What's good?
Guys, this is sick. Hang out with the Moto boys, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Yes, sir.
Dank Wheelie's bike.
Where'd you
That's
buy
crazy.
this from, dude?
Yeah, we out here picking up the Dyna, guys.
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
For sale, Tyler.
Tyler.
Tyler, that's Nate. We got Taylor in the
What's
corner.
up, bro? How's it going?
Good.
I don't know, I think I changed
That's the
my
Dyna.
Yeah, me too.
Levi, look at this thing. You sure you want to go to the dark side of the Harleys?
I was thinking, if anything, it's probably the exhaust valves, because I know, like, if they ever need to.
Yeah. This is sick, y'all. Look at that. That's the Dyna right there. Dude, this thing is low-key fresh.
only sponsor is the name right here, bro. You got a fresh tail light on here?
Oh, first impressions. I like it. Ah, take on it.
How much is
Let's go. Wait, let me get it. Let me get it. Go. Let's go. Oh, look at this guy. So this is Dank Wheelie's actual bike.
Yeah, this is the giveaway.
Was that you who
Yeah.
won it? I think I saw that video.
$65?
Yeah,
Yeah.
$65 bike right here, man.
That's crazy.
She does all right.
Yeah, I just started my channel too recently, so
Yeah, I'll
trying
subscribe.
to film my stuff. Let's
A
go.
little bit of action film.
AntonX, let's go. Look at this guy. Look at this thing.
Show the good side, yeah. That's how it's
Guys, look at this thing. Sounds good. Oh, God. Yeah. Look at all this stuff, huh? Bramble, everything. That's crazy.
Press the cover on the back.
Little titanium bar, right? That's crazy. Open the bottle of the titanium drag.
And no
Boom, let's go. This is a KTM 500, bro.
It rides better.
Oh my god, dude, I'm on my
It's
fucking.
like a Husky 501 kind of, right?
Yeah, same bike.
I'm on my tippy toes.
Pretty much all the parts are interchangeable almost.
And dude, that thing's taller than my
No way, he's not
390. Like, I
Yeah.
had it lowered all the way, but like,
Dank Wheelie.
it's not that bad, yeah.
So like, check out this Dyna. Yeah, hold it. Let's not burn our leg. Oh, that's bitch's
It was
head.
like that when I bought it, so the steering's
Oh
not.
my god.
Oh, it's a 100th edition?
How much is a tank?
Dude, I don't even know. I need to look it up.
This thing is
Like, I'm probably gonna
crazy.
drop it. Yeah, I'm sure it's gonna be beat up.
But it sucks because they right here. So like it'll turn all the way. Which I've seen people say they
Did
bring
you drop it or someone else?
No, I'm going like this.
So did that
Dude, I
happen?
burned my leg.
Yeah, dude.
Oh my
He told me
god.
that it was his daughter's
That
bike.
exhaust burned my leg. That's
And she
crazy.
the driveway. Apparently like.
Alright, don't drop it, please God. I'm scared.
I've already dropped it.
Who is this guy?
I hate beer.
try to pop like a
They're gonna be happy now that it's gone.
Yeah, right.
You got a pen?
I think I got one in my bag.
Yeah, buddy, first time riding a Harley. Here, film me. First time riding a Harley, let's go. That thing is fire. Oh my god, bro. That's so, I burn myself. Oh my god, I keep burning myself on this exhaust. But bro, I just rode my first Harley. That is insane. Guys, I feel that, Levi, I feel you now. That thing is sick. The way it pops, bro.
I don't like that shit.
It has a lot of torque. I'm gonna tell you that.
Yeah,
That's
I don't
awesome.
really like the popping either, but it's whatever.
It's only if you cut the throttle completely.
Oh my god. Yo, that was low-key fun. First Harley I've ever ridden. Blur it out. Alright, the boys are signing titles right now. About to get the Harley, about to get the Kawi out of here, I'm about to get the Dyna in there. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Oh, they have supermotos here too.
God, we're gonna
What's going on? Let's go! Yeah!
I'll park it on his back. Yeah, baby.
I was going to, but he kept
Oh my god, this is lit. Let's go. First impressions, what do you think?
I like it. I like it a lot.
Yeah! New Dyna! Guys, we're in the truck right now. We got the whole crew. We got the supermotos. We got the Dyna bikes. We got everything. We got this. Bro, everyone's cruising out. Look at this. Everyone has bikes in the back of their truck.
KTM
We got the bikes in the back too. I'm out here with Bobby. We're about to like cruise out to the spot. So I'll see you guys at the spot. Let's.
Well, we're 2 minutes in.
No gas.
They ain't got no gas in it.
Nice, no gas. Alright, so Levi we were just cruising out and he ran out of gas, so now we're screwed. So let's see what we're gonna do now. So, oop, the whole squad left us, but we still got their bikes out here, and then his bike's out of gas right now. She got no
Oh,
gas
is the
in
gas turned off?
He said put on reserve.
Bro, are you sure? Reserve. On reserve, you should still have some. On reserve, you should still have gas.
Let's go.
All right, let's go.